Hi guys. So, uh, good morning. And this is the problem of question number two in lead code contest. The problem says that valid subarrays, right, with matching some digits. One, you are given an integer array nums and integer digit x. The subarray nums L to R is considered valid if the sum of its element satisfied both of the following condition. The first digit of the sum is equal to x, the last digit of the sum is equal to x, right? Means first digit and the last digit all are the match, that means equal to the uh, sums, that means x, right? So the return the number of valid subs arrays. A subarray is contiguous non-empty sequence on element within an array. So simple. So I just explain the question and then I just, but the question says that the question is very simple. You just have to find, like, there is an nums, right? This is the nums and this is x, which means x is our matching, that means target. We can take this one is target as a target, and then this one is we just have to take from the here, from this we can analyze, can we get the x or not, right? So here just come on and then just check the things, like how can we check? So the simple check from here, and start from the nums, like nums 0, right, to 0, and then sum is equal to 1, simple, and nums 0 to 1 and the sum is 1 plus 100, very simple, is equal to 101, that was solution. And then nums what is 1 to 0, means first take this one and then this one and then this one and then this one, means start take 1 and then take 2 and then take 2 and then take 1, like this, right? So here is 1 to 2 and the sum is equal to 10 plus 1, simple, is equal to 101, right? And the nums of 2 to 2, then the sum is equal to very 1, which means we can see here this one 1 2 3 and the 4 times we can see. So the answer is 4, right? This the question said, and means the question says like this. Now we can go in that very brute force approach. The brute force approach is very simple. If we can go like starting, that means we can go and that means every subarray calculate its sum and check, calculate its sum and check, calculate its sum and check, that means every array. I just show you, write the code is a brute force, and then I just write only for optimal code. In between you can try yourself and write on the comment section. Int n is equal to nums dot size, right? And here then long is answer is equal to 0. Now start from the every. Int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to n and I plus plus, right? Now for int k is equal to I and k, sorry, j is equal to I to j greater than is equal to n and j plus plus, ठीक है? Now there is a take one long is sum is equal to 0, and then one more int k is equal to I, k greater than is equal to till j तक जाएगा, ठीक है? j and k plus plus, right? Now without any problematic, I just sum is equal to nums of k, take, and then if first digit of sum is equal to x, and then sum mod 10 is equal to x, right? So answer plus plus, simple, and then return answer. And here we can do like int, I just write the function of int first digit, int first digit of long num and then while 10 and num of this is 10 and return the simple num. Okay, now try to submit it, compile it, yes, but it will not submit it. Why? Because this is the brute force approach. It will show the TLE order of, in that order of go the order of NQ. So for that it will not submit it. Now I just write the optimal code here, right? Very simple optimal code is, so see, so this is the optimal code. Try to submit it, and yes, yeah. So in that what I can do, I just nothing to do anything. I just reduce the loop, like one is here, and then try to, and then that means go as a first loop, and then at the same time I can do sum of the ordering, and then that means sum the ordering, and then I just check this is the first digit and equal to the x. If yes, then answer plus plus, otherwise nothing. So this is the optimal approach. So thank you so much guys.